Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Later on, we can sing together in a song. And if you watch to the end, there's a secret little surprise. It's gonna be fun. It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
La 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 la. Oh, hello and welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie. I didn't see you there. Today we're going to do a drawing together. It's going to be awesome.
It's always so exciting before Artie begins.
I know. Let's go.
When you want to make some art, it's very important to remember to start. Okay, everyone, let's begin. La 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 la, here we go, do. Have I get that run that far? Have I go, do. La la, just what you know.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Keep watching, because coming up, we're going to have a song. It'll be fun. All this art is making me tired. I think we should stop for a minute and sing a song. Are you ready? Here we go!
Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello, can you stamp your feet? Hello, hello, can you stamp your feet? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say hello? Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands? Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
Wasn't that a really fun song? I hope you were dancing along and singing too. Anyway, time to carry on with our drawing now. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I love drawing so much.
Look at Artie go! Wow!
Huh, wow, that was kind of an easy one. I really enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it as well, little artists? Oh, good. Well, there's only one thing left. We've got to color it in.
It's coloring time!
Oh, wow, this one is really good. Sometimes they come out good, and sometimes they come out really good. This is really good. I hope your one came out good as well. I'm sure it did. Well, I suppose I should put it on the fridge now.
Wow, what a great show! We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day!
Well, that's the end of the show. I hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't it fun? I loved it. Hope you enjoyed the drawing and the song. And we'll see you again soon on Artie's show. Bye-bye for now. Bye.